Famra Adom TV so Adom TV so be media so the Easter Monday we can see on Sempan Sakania so di jaw within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace akudi catch back up the only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and the best kunyana me kono quantum coding some of the Sakana no penso our Ghana good game 18 jaw one expert I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa bet the intasma we change so trying before didn't before trying to kumabia within kumasa no manum catch busuan for na for 4 year ma fast for na na mukunumo and on pnafo na say one expert and a boy say didi new year yes I dey try instant but more than that so on sabetin akebe mo twa better fa dwene kakra to instance bet diwa when you betin approve so adwene betin abobutin betin ahyehyɛ and it is bet with money that you can afford to lose we nyina chino na say one tier 7 day abusuan wasase wo ho ejapade bi ne ho betin tabiri akoton na de keto akɔgye kɛse one expert and one dance and a bedi edi amawi Jeffas Mr. do that she eboa infections netted to gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis why fit na so di po a edro eboa prapro hara no mo say kama e ma ultimate din chine check or eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mu also pe Jeffas Mr. no ne edu ba kwa ebeti aboa e ma ne ma etia tutu ye edi ama ye ka no na sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas be pimo na se do ba kwa etu ya odi ase e de free di no e sedimo gel and roll on okwa shama police phone na soldier phone na ho de ba don sabetimi aka sanso na tema me marketing so edroni bu ha sabetimi aka betia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on yen twetwen komo ye hwɛ mo a ema ma 1822 informa we man nada ana maka mutia fam ho abomiska dwete ma Easter Monday presentation ye de ebro na fo se na nema AC ko kensim a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to very first step yen here and English Premier League matches how do it fence PM Liverpool 2 Arsenal 2 now for Wolves for Chelsea Kabako Chelsea for omoye ya mantimi Anthony make us a wrestling session to kwa Frank James Lampard never be caretaker coach obeboa emaniama etiam kwe but still Chelsea goes nana as a banner ember Manchester United 1 Everton 0 now for so Southampton omo transfer Emma Man City couple 9 omo take ne back up also the Kogro case back with 10 times so across Stadium Pedi Beshe na enya semwa the Taranga Lioness of Senegal and the dia case in 10 times so na 90 minutes of soccer fiesta no na se Black Queens etimi ashe 3 goals e the Senegal for my way Grace Asefo a wona poso atene di kan and afi Gifty Asefo mom na e poso atene di kan na afi so kwa no Grace Asantoa e she 2 goals so nya Brace e was case nim na omo chese bibia etimi san twema na adoma Tuesday womo 11th of April womo ebesa the second leg encounter defense certain times so still our class post to need preparations so mo de aye na omo de the future of the Black Queens na face strength of the team say be adan kuma bia na kensi be etimi san twinity a nyema ebetia koyi e dia mom so.
And there you have two players, Adubia Presla together with Wachi Portia. A strike and it rattles the goalpost. Black Queens, and there you have the first goal of this game registered in less than 2 minutes of action. And this is what the Black Queens, the new Black Queens, under this new dispensation, this is how clinical they are. They've gotten the first goal. It was well taken by Portia. It rattled the goalpost. And there you have a wonderful strike. It's proving to be deals with it without any difficulty. Sends a long one in Priscilla Adubia Leken. And there Asantua taking her time. Asantua trying to come up with a strike. Asantua, she scores. Asantua scores a stunner. She did it with ease, they did, of course, with style. She did it in grand style, of course. Just when she got possession, took her time, sweat her way, wriggled through 4 players of Senegal, and that was that strike, a sublime one, to get the second goal for Ghana Black Queens. She wriggled her way through with ease. Janet Adri, Janet to Adama Hassan, Adama to Doris Wedua, Doris sent it back to Adama who sent a great delivery. And look at how easy the transition has resulted in a goal for the Black Queens of Ghana. sweet, great passage of play. It began with the interchanging of passes between Doris Badwam and Adom Al-Hassan. Adom's sumptuous delivery and the header for the third goal. And there, Amedome Vicentia, FIFA referee from Togo, blows her whistle and another to end proceedings here at the Accra Sports Stadium. It's been a comprehensive victory for the Black Queens of Ghana.
The Black Queens of Ghana and Omochi, the Taranga Lioness of Senegal. No more 3-0. We are in Kuba Kensi. Bibian Bitrima. Say April 11, 2023. Tuesday. Omobesa at the second leg encounter. 10 times. Ni nabe baso. Ewa Cross Post. No winya huma anaje adajia na wakobo ni akoma. Ewa sana ni mabesi akoso ma game no. Na FKK beautiful air commentary. Ne no so dasi ultimate sampa. Lady na akware da mu yepa. Ewo English commentary mu. MTN FA Cup results also any Dream Football Club for Legon City Tremekaba commentary. Na fe RTU for transfer so taman ebi Tremekaba. Also MTN Kumasi can find Sani Aduana Stars able 2-2. We have to separate the boys from the men. Into about penalties can find a large gusa. Even a 3-1 on penalties while progressing to the next stage of the competition. Now for Sky 4, a mysterious Ebusia Bonto drafts. Omana IDK, ID Pandi, a Tromekabako, Omantianti. This is MTN FA Cup.
Latif steps up and he scores for the second time in this game. Joseph Adom can't stop his penalty.
Yep, Abdul Latif again, very calm and collected.
Encho steps up and Jabal saves. Encho has missed, expiring, and Jabal will take his turn. And he says, Abdul, just unmovable. Just check out the penalty. He was just rooted to his foot. He just couldn't do anything. It's Alex Boache to take it. And he scores. Godfrey Siama, and he's missed. Moves sideways. Now he steps forward and he's missed. Poorly taken. Afrani has held his waist. He goes sideways. Now steps forward and Afrani scores. It's a beauty. Precision and accuracy. If he misses, Faisal are through. Minta goes forward and he's missed. And Kim Faisal are through to the semi-finals of the MTN FA Cup. The beating the Diana Stars by 3-1 on penalties. Game ended 2-2 in regulation time. It's over here in Abankase. The Inshallah boys are through after Isaac Minta had missed the decisive penalty kick for Diana Stars.
Just when he was even walking towards the ball, you could see he lacked a lot of confidence there, and he pulled the ball wide. Goalkeeper Abdul Jabbar deserves a lot of credit because he's the reason why Ken Faisal are into the semi-finals of the MTN FA Cup. Brilliant for them. The Oja boys must be disappointed with this.
Diana Stars must now shift their focus on the Premier League, and now Kim Faisal will set their sights on winning the MTN FA Cup for the very first time. And for them, it's going to be a homecoming semi-finals because all the games will be played at this venue per the arrangements of the organizers of the competition. Abdul Jabbar, the star of the moment, he's done tremendously well to hand Kim Faisal this historic qualification at the expense of Diana Stars, and it's a perfect revenge for them. They beat them.
In the MTN FA Cup, the teams are cruising to the semi-final game, no, Dreams FC 4 qualifiers, Swatramaya qualifiers, Sky FC 4 qualify, Ken Fire for and so qualifier. Womina, if you semi-final clashes, no between and Sunday 10 times. So, Shannon say, Adriana Stars and at the top of the league logo, now question him say, this year Kubeti and jet double, but any in a few months when Tian Kupim, it was semi-final gamer, it means two genuine. I had not Sandra C. and Fancy, Madamasi. Na mama mo enerhwe Shannon Smam say 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. We try better, we try to be for didn't be for trying to come be didn't come san manum. And more bet with money that you can afford to lose. Kai ira nya no. And when you try betting, yes I bet you are wadwene ebetimi abom. Je fast message with tafi enso infections e do man san ka bia no so betin aboa. Ade bia to be akwa bar shops and pharmaceutical shops ma. Also per je fast message no and e do ebetimi aboa amane matutu e de man afi sedimo gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel fisa abiri konbo modianda se on sabeti akaboko tema me market an sabeti akaba shaman so on sabeti akabubetia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on entwetwen komo yenhwemwa amaniama 2022 ye enfamao na me Adom ochina me the greetings from Co 2023 ebetia sabro ti Co Easter Games asempa 94.7 FM where 10 communities are wom elko wom de akensi ne 10 times so a komo epi mo no na enya asem ketwa kra na fe mesen ti hu kakra de akire cooking competition a me akasa me wura mu bi na omu wi a me femfenam no eno so me de hu komo kakra so ebetimi asaba judges a omu ni maduane no na so mu wi a me femfenam na me Adom ochina me bon komo kakra e wo sena niam esi elko so sister Sandy be a guy in fact ene akwe Easter Monday dey onu besin kunya ne yese mo transfer be transfer ne yese mo koto so no be koto so ne yese mo hye so no mo be hye so ne yese muru aso no so no ode mo be rura so amankomo no ayo de so bi ba bi mesrew ka che busuanfo na fofo yere o ma wo fasefo no nanam se sister Sandy be a guy terms of entertainment e Ghana de untimi sister Sandy be a guy gise bia o tafro abatwe amfansia na mena wase e ma boni hwe me de profiki wala sagudi catch back up and I'm of course evidence based presentation to me the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.